Dear students, I think all of you must have seen the question paper for 2025 Men's PSIR. And in case those of you who have not seen and who have not analyzed, I have discussed both papers in two separate lectures. I shall be putting their link in the description of this video. So when we looked at the question paper, one thing was very much clear, that apart from understanding the subject, understanding the topic, it is also very much important to understand the question, understand its demand, and only then you can go for writing the answer in order to score well. Otherwise, all those people who went for mugging up and vomiting, invariably they did face problem this year. And this is something I had continuously seen in my crash course lectures. And yes, many of the questions are either from the notes or the questions PYQs that were discussed or the questions from the test series. I have given the reference of many of the questions in those videos as well. Okay. So those of you who could not do that well in the prelims, you had come to me regarding the test series for the next year. And many of you who feel that they could not do well in this year means you had also come to me. So from 14th of September, we shall be starting the Ascend Test Series and Mentorship Program. Yes, it is not just a test series, but also a mentorship program, and how that I shall be showing you. But before that, let us just focus on the features. In total, there will be 18 tests. There will be 16 sectional and 2 comprehensive full-length tests. There will be 4 tests from each of the 4 sections. 4 sections from political theory, 4 sections from 4 tests from IGP, 4 tests from comparative politics, and equally 4 will be from India and the world. And the 2 comprehensive tests, that will be, one will be of paper 1, that will take place after the 8 tests. That is, after you have covered all these sections of paper 1, then go for one comprehensive test, and after you have covered all these 8 tests of paper 2, then you go for the comprehensive test for paper 2. Okay, so this is the basic structure. Every week on Sunday the test will be released. Okay, the coming Friday there will be discussion. I would urge you people to attend the discussion, ask whatever doubts you have, whether it is with respect to the question, whether it is with respect to the topic even, because I do discuss the topic as well to improve your understanding. Okay. Next, let us discuss some of the more features. Naturally, whole syllabus will be covered because there are total 18 tests. Accordingly, there is syllabus for all these 18 Sundays. In 1 week, cover one specific segment, give a test. Next week, another segment, another test. Another segment, another test. And believe me, this is tried and tested. Just by writing 4 tests, there will be a qualitative improvement in your answers. This is a tried and tested thing, and this is my guarantee, because many of the students last year as well as this year, they have benefited. So that is why I am giving you guarantee, because this is tried and tested. Naturally, as I said, there will be test discussions along with model answers. Model answers will be there. Model answer will not be just for the answer sake, but there will be some additional content so that you can supplement your notes. Okay. And yes, do not bother whether you have done self study, you have studied from some notes, or you have studied from some other institute. Absolutely no issue, because you will write answer as per your notes only, and it is my duty to assess it. I am never going to say that refer to my notes. I shall be providing you with some content only if there are some gaps, or only in areas where you are lagging. Otherwise, I have said this multiple times, that just focus on one particular source, one particular material, and if there are gaps, then fill it. Okay. Next, understanding the question demand, that is what obvious, because this is the main focus. Hardly there are few questions which will be direct. Most of the questions will be in applied format, where you will have to search the demand, just like this year's question. And if you want to see the type of questions that are asked, I had publicly shared test number 6 that was about India and the world, and many of the questions are actually on the same pattern. You can find other question papers and you can see that how the questions are original questions in applied format. And I say this clearly in my class, that my purpose is to create trouble for you, because if you're troubled in the class here, then you won't be troubled in the exam. And all I want is that you should be comfortable in the exam, and I can say this with confidence that my students were comfortable with this year question paper, both paper 1 and paper 2. Okay. Next is that naturally evaluation will be within 10 days, and yes, I shall be evaluating the copies. There is no second person. I shall evaluate all your copies within 10 days. The day you have submitted, within 10 days your test will be evaluated again. That is a guarantee. Answer submission time is flexible. Many of you say, sir अगर संडे को नहीं कर पाया तो कोई इशू नहीं है. संडे नहीं तो मंडे नहीं तो ट्यूसडे नहीं तो अगर 1 महीने बाद भी करते हो, लेकिन देखो जरूरी है टेस्ट लिखना. आप में से कई लोग ज्वाइन करते हो, टेस्ट नहीं लिखते हो, इंप्रूवमेंट कहां से होगा? Because the moment you join a test, it becomes my responsibility that your answer writing should improve, and for that you will have to write it. Okay. Next, yes, additional content will be provided. Presently you must be seeing whether it is in the Indian politics with respect to issues like federalism, issues like governor, or in the international politics, whether it is debates around democracy, rise of right, India USA relations, India China relations, SCO, new world order, de-dollarization. The contents were provided to the crash course students, and content will be provided to you. And apart from the content, there will be specific lectures, perhaps 2, 3 or 4 lectures, and those lectures will be additional to the test discussion, because it is my responsibility to make you ready for your mains 2026. Okay. Next, yes, this is the most important feature. After you have submitted your copy, after it has been evaluated, then naturally you will be seeing your copy, and then in case you want, you will contact, you will have, naturally you will have either Telegram or WhatsApp number, and then you will message that, sir, I want to discuss. For the offline students, you can come, I will give you time, you will come to the institute and we will discuss that copy one to one, because I know that every student's problem can be unique. Though the evaluation is much detailed and you can self understand, but still I'll be there, I'll question you, why did you write this? You will explain, I'll suggest that this is the issue with your understanding, this is the issue with your line of argument. बिकॉज कई बार क्या होता है, आप शो ऑफ के लिए चले जाते हो, लैंग्वेज कॉम्प्लेक्स कर देते हो, अननेसेसरी टर्मिनोलॉजी ले आते हो, अननेसेसरी स्कॉलर्स ले आते हो, गलत अंडरस्टैंडिंग पर लिख देते हो. तो वो सब के लिए 1-to-1 डिस्कशन, ऑफलाइन के लिए तो यहीं पे बैठ करके, ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए या तो जूम सेशन रहेगा, नहीं तो फोन कॉल रहेगा. मैं आपको बता दूंगा, ठीक है इस समय हम फोन पर डिस्कस करेंगे, और उसके बाद फिर ठीक है आपके पास आपकी कॉपी रहेगी, इधर मेरे पास भी आपकी कॉपी रहेगी, और हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि देखो किस क्वेश्चन में आपकी क्या प्रॉब्लम थी, किस क्वेश्चन में आपने क्या सही किया है. क्योंकि 1-to-1 डिस्कशन इज द की टू इंप्रूविंग योर आंसर राइटिंग. मेरली मैंने चेक करके पकड़ा दिया, वो तो आपको कहीं भी मिल जाएगा, लेकिन हाँ, इवेल्युएशन की क्वालिटी यू कैन आस्क एनी स्टूडेंट, एनी ऑफ माई स्टूडेंट. ओके. सो 1-to-1 आपको ये बेनिफिट अवेल करना है अगर आपको इंप्रूव करना है. और मैं बोल रहा हूं, आपने टेस्ट लिखा, इवैल्यूएशन हुआ, आपने टेस्ट का डिस्कशन अटेंड किया, उसके बाद 1 टू 1 डिस्कशन किया, सिर्फ 4 टेस्ट, मेरी गारंटी है आपकी आंसर राइटिंग इंप्रूव होगी, नो डाउट्स अबाउट इट। ठीक है, एंड नेचुरली हाँ, लास्ट आप फ्लेक्सिबल डेट बिल्कुल है, बट जो लास्ट वैलिडिटी है कोर्स का वो 31 मार्च 2026 रहेगी। तो बाय मिड जैन सारे टेस्ट खत्म हो जाएंगे, बट उसके बाद भी आपके पास टाइम रहेगा। लेकिन मेरा सजेशन रहेगा कि बाय जनवरी या मैक्सिमम बाय मिड ऑफ फेब्रुवरी आप अपने सारे टेस्ट कंप्लीट कर लेना, सो दैट फ्रॉम मिड फेब यू स्विच टू योर प्रीलिम्स। अदरवाइज अगर आप मार्च तक जाओगे ना, आपका प्रीलिम्स हैम्पर हो सकता है और फिर आपके मेंस 2026 लिखने के चांसेस हैम्पर हो सकते। ओके, सो as you people had asked, this is the detailed scheme of test series. इसके अलावा कोई भी डाउट है, you can reach out to me on phone, on telegram, on whatsapp, you can come to the institute। कोई भी डाउट रहेगा, बिकॉज मैं गारंटी देता हूं इससे बेहतर टेस्ट सीरीज जहां की आपको गाइडेंस मिले विथ फॉर इंप्रूवमेंट ऑफ योर आंसर राइटिंग। फोकस यहाँ पे सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि आपने आंसर लिख लिया, बात खत्म हो। यहाँ फोकस है, अगर आप मेरे पास आए हो, मेरी जिम्मेवारी है आपका आंसर सुधरना चाहिए, क्वेश्चन की अंडरस्टैंडिंग सुधरनी चाहिए, एंड दैट इज समथिंग आई टेक प्राइड इन कि मैं ये काम आपको करके दूंगा। ओके, सो दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम माय साइड। अगर एसेंट टेस्ट सीरीज के रिगार्डिंग इन केस यू हैव गॉट एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ डाउट, डू रीच आउट, and I would ask you to join it so that by February of 2026 you are ready for your mains PSIR 2026 and do score well. That's all. Thank you very much.